guys, Little Man, Druid here. Today we have 2 surprise eggs. They have dinosaurs on the inside. We found them at Dollar Tree. We shall see how interesting the inside thing is, huh? I don't think it really has a description. So which one do you want to open? Do you want to open the blue or the green first and see what's inside?
This one and this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one!
The green wins? Okay. I have scissors ready, which I think I'm going to have to use. Oh. Alright. Look at that fancy egg, bud. It has dinosaur eye on. Okay, it's slightly open. You pop it open, okay? What new friend do we have? Whoa. Okay, so it looks like it's a stuffy. It looks like a triceratops in the shape of poop.
West one.
Yeah, we can open this one.
A west one.
Yeah.
One more.
One more.
Okay.
There's the eye again. I'll pop it open slightly. Oh, there's tape. Oh no. Okay, it's popped open. I got it. And we got, not too sure what dinosaur it is, but it looks like a carrot. So that's what comes in these dinosaur surprise eggs. Very interesting. So I guess they're supposed to be shaped like poops, because if you see this photo, they have heads, but it's swirly on the back. I'll try to find a better picture. But yeah, that is all we have for you today. Right, buddy? That's all you have for you today. You want to say thanks for watching, friends? Yeah, there was a surprise egg. Wow, huh? Thanks for watching, friends. Keep safe, take care, and we will see you next week.